Good morning, traders. This is Tony D from easyMarkets. We have a little update on the overnight action. Wasn't much movement. Surprising with the pass of the House vote and a decent rally in stocks. You didn't get really much push through. You saw the rally after the Aussie jobs numbers yesterday. Didn't hold. We're back at the same level, 75.80 at the moment, threatening to break lower. So the gravity feel on both the Aussie, the Kiwi, and the CAD's quite real. What you are seeing a little bit higher is the euro and the pound. This is interesting given that it was US dollar positive situation yesterday, and the lack of follow through, especially in dollar yen. Usually dollar yen goes up when stocks go up. At the moment, struggling to even hold above 113. But the Nikkei is up over 700 points in the last 2 days. So there is a big disconnect now between dollar yen and Nikkei. It used to be fairly close. So what's driving the markets at the moment is just more to do with demand for the euro or demand for the US dollar in general, and they're not really paying attention to the stock market. So US dollar stories like this tax plan getting passed or the investigation by Mueller into Jared Kushner is probably a little bit more sensitive. But you're seeing that some of the more normal correlations aren't really aren't really holding. So even as dollar yen's going down here, we're not seeing gold too supported. And usually you'll see gold a lot stronger if you are seeing dollar yen under pressure like today. So we're going to have to keep an eye on it, see where the market wants to roll. It's one of those situations where you really don't want to fight the market in that if it should be going up and stocks are strong and it's going down, it's not like the market is wrong and it's about to change direction. There could be something going on in the bond market, and that's where you see US yields underperforming, and that underperformance is really more directed towards US dollar than US stocks, so that could be the cause of the disconnect, and it's not likely to snap back to reality anytime soon. So that's why as the market's falling here in the dollar yen and the Nikkei is rallying at the same time this morning, you have to be careful that this is the direction that dollar yen wants to go. Stops will be very close here, and more people will be buying given what's going on in the stock market. Therefore, it becomes even more dangerous if there was to break lower. So keep an eye on it. There is big support down at 112, so we'll see if we can get to that level. That's a bit more of a line in the sand where if you want to buy, you can get there. Very similar to selling the euro towards that 118.40 level. If you have any questions, give us a call here on the desk. In terms of the biggest story going forward in the next 48 hours or over the weekend is the Senate tax bill and how much support it has. If a couple more senators do pull out of that, that's going to be very negative. At the moment, though, optimism is high that they will be able to hash out a deal.